Here I have DOOGE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also I will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, just open the phone application. Then you have to open keypad on it and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *pound *pound 4636 pound ***. And this is the testing menu. Here you can display different informations about your device. You have some functions here. You can see usage statistics for different apps here. You have some Wi-Fi information and even Wi-Fi configuration here. You can manage some options here too. The next code will be *pound *225 pound ***, and this is the calendar info menu. If you have any calendars added on your device, you will see them here. But as you can see, I don't have quite much calendars here, so let's just go to the next code. The next code will be *pound 426 pound ***, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can view some other very interesting informations too, like this. And the last code for today will be *pound 06 pound, and this is the code which displays your email information. You have the email 1 and also the email 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.